to show you how to do the HOOPLA TIK TOK trend, which is very, very easy to learn, and this is also a very cool trend. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's just get started. So the very first move we're gonna do is one. We're gonna pretend we're gonna shout, and then we're gonna drop our hand and whoa. So it's gonna look like this. Hand, whoa. Once again, hand, whoa. Okay, and after that, we're gonna put our hands together. We're gonna clap, and then we're gonna go one. We're gonna do like a small wave, and then we're gonna cross, and we're gonna pop our shoulder. Okay, now let's do it once again from the beginning, so we remember everything, and we'll move on. Let's go. Hand, drop, whoa, clap, wave, cross, pop. And then we're gonna put both hands over here in front of us, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, shoulder, 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 like that. And we're gonna go side, 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 3 times, okay? Now let's do it from the beginning again, and we'll move on. Hand, drop, whoa, clap, 1, cross, pop, 1, 2, 3, sway, sway, sway. Okay, so after this, we're gonna do 2 waves. So if you don't know how to do the wave, I do have a more detailed tutorial on how to do it. So just after watching this video, you can go check it out. So after this, we're gonna go wave with our hands. Our hands are gonna be like in fists, but you can do it like this as well, however you want. Wave, and now we're gonna wave to the other side, like that. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. It's gonna be very fast. So if you don't know how to do the wave, just practice slow and then a little bit faster until you get like the actual speed. So after this, we're gonna go 1. So we're gonna pretend we have something here, and we're gonna throw it to the air, right? 1, and then we're gonna drop our hand again, and we're gonna do the whoa, like that. So it's gonna look like this from the waves. Wave, wave, throw, drop. So after we drop, we're gonna cross our arms. And now let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on because we don't have much left. So let's go. Hand, whoa, clap, wave, cross, pop, 1, 2, 3, sway, 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 wave, wave, throw, whoa, cross. So after we cross, we're gonna pretend we have a basketball here, and we're gonna go like 1. So we're gonna throw it to the other hand, to the other one, and to the other one, like that. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, people do this differently. I'm not an expert at basketball, but like, just, you know what I mean, right? You just go like this, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then after that, we're gonna roll our arms towards us, and we're gonna step to the side a little bit. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, roll. Like we're just gonna slide, and we're gonna do like a slight wave. And then after that, we're gonna go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And then after this, I'm just gonna show you what goes next because we have literally 3 moves left. So we're gonna go like this. 1. We're gonna roll our arms, and we're gonna go front, side, and instead of crossing like we usually do, we're gonna clap. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. We're gonna do it once slow and once fast. Okay, let's go. Hand, whoa, clap, wave, cross, pop, 1, 2, 3, sway, 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 wave, wave, throw, drop, whoa, cross, 1, 2, 3, and roll. 1, 2, 1, roll, front, side, clap. That's it. And now we're gonna do the same thing, but faster. Let's go. Hand, whoa, clap, wave, cross, 1, 1, 2, 3, sway, 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 wave, wave, throw, whoa, cross, 1, 2, 3, roll, step, step, 1, roll, front side, clap. a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!